Welcome to day 3. There's something interesting that starts to happen when we soften towards ourselves. The world starts to feel a little different. People don't seem so distant. We notice things in them. We warm towards them. And strangely, they begin to warm towards us. People don't feel quite so separate. Because the truth is, underneath it all, we're not separate at all. Everyone you pass is carrying something you don't know about. And they don't know what you carry. There's a weight that we all hide. But under the surface, we all have difficulties. We're all hoping for something. We're all trying to be okay in our own way. Loving kindness isn't something you give away. It's something you include others in. It's a quiet recognition that just like you, they are fighting an unseen battle. And loving kindness doesn't ask us to like everyone. It doesn't mean we approve of everything they do. It simply means allowing more space for their humanity. And there's no need to force anything. This is a gentle, simple practice. It's an opening. It's an intention to live with greater harmony. So even a tiny shift, a letting go of a dislike, even a small movement towards goodwill is enough. So let's begin. Come into your seated posture and allow the eyes to gently close. As you breathe out, imagine a wave of soft energy starting at the top of your head, working its way down through the face, shoulders, arms, legs, all the way to the soles of the feet. On each out-breath, relaxing you. Then bringing your attention back to the heart center. Checking in, how do you feel? We'll begin by sending ourselves some loving kindness. We heal ourselves first. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. So just continue with those phrases for a moment. And now bring to mind someone who you care about. A good friend. Someone who's helped you. Maybe it's a small child, a grandchild, or a pet. Seat them before you now. And begin to radiate this feeling of loving kindness from your heart center towards them. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe and protected. May you be free. Gently repeating the phrases with meaning. Slowly. Deeply. And we don't force emotion. Just this gentle intention is enough. And then allowing this image of this friend, this loved one to fade. And bring before you someone neutral. Someone you might see in your everyday life. You just walk by them. As if they're an object. And recognizing that they have a life just like you do. With its own joy, with its own struggles. So we wish them loving kindness too. Placing them before you. Repeating the phrases, may you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe and protected. May you be free. And allowing them to fade now. And bringing before you someone who's not so easy to love. We can practice this with the most difficult people we have in our lives. That one person. But maybe for now, try with someone a little less challenging. And you can work up to the ones who cause you difficulties. And realizing that this person is likely unhappy. They may not show it, but unhappy people spread unhappiness. And remembering, this isn't about loving, liking, or approving of what they do. It's about softening, realizing that they are human too, with all their strugglings. So we now wish them, may you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe and protected. May you be free. And if this is too challenging, return back to the one who is easy to love. And then finally, expanding this sense of goodwill to all beings everywhere. To those you'll meet today, to those you'll never meet, including everyone. May we all be happy. May we all be well. May we all be safe and protected. May we all be free. And when you're ready, gently coming back, moving the body, and allowing the eyes to open. This practice feels subtle, but it changes the way we move through the world, how we interact with others. It changes us from the inside out. And we see, quite often, in strange ways, the world respond in kind. It sort of begins to protect us. So as you move through this day, you may notice others a little more. You may notice light in the eyes of your loved ones. You may be about to lose control and get angry, and something inside stops you. Softening. Or maybe you won't, because it takes time. And maybe once or twice, if you're on a train, as you walk by someone, and quietly wish them well. May you be happy. May you be well. And they won't know, but something inside you will. And that quiet shift is how this meditation begins to live within us and expand out into our world. And remember that you can return to any of these practices at any time and deepen them, replay them. And tomorrow we'll look at how this practice can help us with difficult days. See you then.